If you're looking for job placement assistance, workforce support, or help getting back on your feet, I want to show you how to use the House of Asseveration's Chamber of Prosperity in just a few minutes. First, visit houseofasseveration.com. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the Chamber of Prosperity seal. Click that seal to enter the chamber. You'll be greeted by our AI-powered assistant. At this point, you can either enter your name directly into the chat or sign up for a free account. Both options work. Once you're in the chat, type the word START. From there, the chatbot will guide you step by step. When prompted, choose Job Assistance. The system will ask you a few simple questions about what kind of support you're looking for. Then it will request your zip code. This is where the Chamber of Prosperity really works for you. Based on your zip code, the chatbot immediately searches for real local job resources in your area. That includes workforce development programs, job placement services, training opportunities, and employment support organizations near you. You will receive clickable links and clear next steps right away. Nothing generic, nothing random. These are location-based resources you can act on immediately. After reviewing the job assistance resources, you'll be given an option to go a step further. You can choose to request a Community Navigator. If you opt in, you'll submit your name, email address, and zip code. This allows a real person from the House of Asseveration to work with you on a customized job placement plan. A Community Navigator can help you understand which programs fit your situation, apply for jobs or training, identify next steps beyond what the automated search provides. Once you submit that request, you'll reach the final screen confirming your intake. A Community Navigator will reach out to you within 7 business days or less. The Chamber of Prosperity is built on one principle: stability first, growth second. If you need job assistance, you don't have to figure it out alone. The tools are here, the support is real, and the process is simple. Start at houseofasseveration.com, enter the Chamber of Prosperity, and take your next step forward.